Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add an AI widget to your Wixel document. So let's get started. First, go to wixel.com, and if you're new, you must log in. But if you have an existing Wix account and are already logged in there, then you'll automatically be logged in here using that account. Now go to My Projects. And here, select the document you wish to work on and click Edit. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the Wixel Editor. Once you're here, click on the plus elements button on the action bar above, click AI Tools, and select AI Widget. This field will appear right over here. And on this box, type down what kind of widget you'd like to create. Alternatively, you can click on the Types button and select from different widgets that you can choose from, such as chart, infographic, game, map, calculator, and shopping list. So it's all up to you. And once you're done working on your prompt, click on this blue arrow button right here. And just like that, Wix's AI will start generating the widget for you. It'll take a couple of seconds, so just wait for it to finish. And once done, you'll see it added right over here. There you go. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.